How's it going, y'all? Joseph with Zarate Steel Works, and if you've been following along on our social media pages, you know that Richard went ahead and dropped off his Hellcat to get a wide body kit on there. And you know what? We finally got it done, folks, and it is looking great. If you want to go ahead and come along, check this out right quick. But we went ahead and got this fitted on here, and it really adds to the aggressive styling, especially since he has it on air ride. And speaking of air ride, we got an awesome custom setup in the rear with another sneak peek that we can't wait to show you. But right now, we really just wanted to showcase these body lines. It really adds to the aggressiveness of this Dodge, and I'll tell you what, we're super happy for him to go ahead and come pick it up. But before we get into that, let's just go ahead and step back and take a look at it real quick. Alrighty, y'all. And here's that finished product on this awesome rear custom setup that we've been waiting to show y'all. Long hours in the shop, but we were able to add a lot of detail that we feel helps reflect Richard's ride. Because if there's one thing that we can go ahead and tell y'all about Zarate Steel Works, our customers don't come to us for simple, they come to us for custom. And we're super happy with the way that this turned out. But again, I did tell y'all that we had an awesome surprise back here aside from this, and that's gonna be this new diffuser that we just went ahead and made for Richard. It's gonna be something that we're gonna make available to y'all, so definitely check that out. But before we go ahead and leave, I just wanted to let y'all know that you too can go ahead and get a custom air ride setup like this for your vehicle. You can contact us directly via our email or toll-free line. But this is Joseph with Zarate Steel Works. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in to go ahead and see more projects just like this on our YouTube channel and social media pages. Ride safe, folks.